What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making these protein-packed pancakes. They are made with super clean ingredients, but your kids or your picky husband will never know the difference. First, we're going to need to mash up one ripe banana. Then we're going to add 1 cup of almond milk and mash up the banana some more. Then we're going to need 2 scoops of protein. It can be any flavor or brand you like. And then we're going to mix in the protein powder until there are no lumps. This can take a while. Next, we are adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Then you will need 1 cup of oat flour. Here's a really cool trick. If you don't have oat flour, take rolled oats and put them in your blender or your food processor and blend until you get flour. Mix this all together and it's time to start making your pancakes. We all know how to make pancakes, so I'm not going to explain this, and I probably shouldn't because I ended up burning most of these. When you make these, you can add vanilla, blueberries, chocolate chips, or whatever you want. I just wanted to show you the simplest way I make them, but feel free to make them your own. Look at how fluffy and delicious these look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I have new recipes every week. I love you guys so much. I'll see y'all next week.